Greg, for folks who are not going to be indoors today or the rest of this week, what are we looking forward to?
Yeah, we're looking at cloudy skies out there right now. A few little light showers and sprinkles are showing up here, but we're really not going to see any thunderstorm chances until this evening. So as we've been saying, be weather aware. Not everyone will see storms or severe weather, but that possibility is going to be there as we get into this evening. And you see that slight risk that we do have for those strong and severe thunderstorms as we back up and take a look at the large hail, the damaging wind risk, level 2. So that slight risk from Decatur out toward Mineral Wells into our northwestern counties where we could see some stronger, potentially severe storms, and it will be large hail and the damaging winds maybe the main concerns, it looks like. Now, as we push down toward the Metroplex, we're looking at that marginal risk there as those storms are forecast to weaken as they work their way in. All right, now back to our timecast. You see those thunderstorms that do fire up in our western counties late this afternoon, well west of Dallas and Fort Worth, kind of pushing out of the panhandle, but they will move into the western portions of North Texas as we get into the evening hours and then start to push toward the Metroplex and weakening some as we head toward 9-10 o'clock, give or take a little bit with the timing with the showers and storms, but weakening as they do so. Still could see some stronger thunderstorms pushing into Fort Worth and Dallas a little bit later this evening, but that trend, the forecast is for them to weaken, and that will be the case as we head toward midnight. Now, maybe a few more scattered showers and storms overnight as a front works its way into the area, but the severe weather risk will be low by then. And then I think as that front moves on through, maybe a few leftover showers and storms in the morning. That pushes east, though, as we go through the day and taking that severe weather risk into our eastern counties as we go through the day on Tuesday, but only that marginal risk from Greenville out towards Sulphur Springs on into East Texas as we go through the early part of Tuesday. Now, we will still see some rain and storm chances this week, mainly early on Tuesday. We'll go with about a 40% coverage tonight and then near zero, I think, on Wednesday. But then by Thursday, going into Thursday night, a few more scattered showers and storms. Now, the coverage may not be high, but we could see some stronger thunderstorms, especially up along the Red River during that time frame as well, and then some low end rain chances through Friday. We're going to increase those rain chances though going into next weekend. More on that with the extended forecast. For right now though, cloudy skies, 72 degrees, taking you on out to DFW Airport. No weather related delays now. That could change with those storms that fire up as we head into this evening. So everyone in the lower 70s, and that's kind of where we were this morning, in the upper 60s. Not going to be warming up a whole lot today because of the cloud cover. Only in the upper 70s to around 80. Probably going to be a little bit warmer in our western counties. Once those storms fire up, they will work their way into the area here as we go through the day. But temperatures are heading into tonight and early tomorrow. Now, those temperatures as we go through the rest of this week, today around 80, we're going to be in the upper 80s. It is going to stay quite warm for us as we head into the latter half of the week. Another front works its way in, and that will bring those temperatures back down closer to seasonal averages for us as we head toward Friday. Now, as we get into next weekend, widespread rain. Some of that could be heavy as we get into Saturday and Sunday, and we are looking at some much cooler temperatures as well. Upper 60s and low 70s, believe it or not, as we head into the weekend, and then we finally dry out and start to warm up a little bit getting into next week.